If you're looking for a template to write meeting minutes in any one of your meetings, I've got a template for you. I'm going to show you exactly how it actually works, and then you can use it and customize it to your own liking. So without further ado, let's check it out. So if you want to draw up meeting minutes for any sort of meeting, this is how we're going to go about it. We're going to go meeting minutes of, and then you're going to add the organization's name. You're also going to add a date and a time of your meeting or whatever you're doing, the start time, the location, and then we are going to list the attendees. Okay, so let's just put that into a proper format. Here we're going to list all the attendees. So you can use full names, and then also if you have different departments, you can maybe add the different departments that they are working in within the organization. Here we are going to start off with a call to order. The meeting was called to order by the chairperson's name, whoever is holding the meeting, and then again you want to add a time. You also want to add in a clause that it says approval of previous minutes, so the minutes of this previous meeting held on the previous date and they were approved. And then also the agenda items. So you just want to list everything that we are going to discuss, everything that we're going to cover. And then we're going to have a look at the actual discussion. We're going to have a look at the detailed discussion on the agenda items. This includes the decisions that have been made and the actions that are to be taken. And then we want to just put in a clause over here for the next meeting, and we want to add in that it's scheduled for a specific date or to be confirmed, whatever the case in your specific needs may be. Also, the adjournment, a meeting was adjourned at, and you want to put a time here. And optionally, you can add a signature if whoever is signing this off and approving it, you can add that in here as well. If this was helpful, drop us a like.